Hi, we from Group 4. Our topic is transport layer. My group member is Amira, Fatiha, Nasrul, Ikhwan and Ibrahim. Chapter 2. In this video, we will explain about transport layer. First one is what is an OC model, what is a transport layer, function of the transport layer, and the last one is what is TLS. What is an OC model? The OC or another name is Open System Interconnection Model is a specifically designed set of protocol that govern communication through with network device share information and data. This task of sharing information is divided among the several layers of the OC model for micro-level network communication. What is the transport layer? This layer performs the task of segmenting the data from proper transmission of data packet. Provide the data packet with the port number for identification like UDP and TCP. UDP is User Datagram Protocol while TCP is Transmission Control Protocol. It is also responsible for handling connectionless and non-connection network service.
What is the transport layer? UDP data, TCP data is the received data. Function of the transport layer, season layer, data packet, transport layer, check the received data, manage data, and transmit the divided data to the next layer. In between, this applied settable network protocol, example, protocol transport layer for the example TCP, UDP, SCTP. Function of the transport layer. First, process the process delivery, multiplexing and demultiplexing, congestion control, flow control, error control.
Firstly is process-to-process delivery. Process-to-process delivery is one of the main tasks of the transport layer to effectively deliver the data segment to the correct process among all the working application. This task applies a 16-bit port number to identify the sender destination application correctly. The sender was send the data directly to the receiver, the effective data delivered. Next is multiplexing and demultiplexing. Multiplexing it is also one of the core tasks of the transport layer to allow simultaneous use of multiple networks over the sender side, known as multiplexing. Demultiplexing is executed at the receiver side to obtain the data from multiple sender applications. This is using network connection. The sender was multiplexing the data and then demultiplexing the data to receiver get the data.
Congestion control. This function is used to handle the traffic of data in network model to access data being transmitted. The congestion of data is handled in two parts. First, open loop control. Second, closed loop control. Okay, next, flow control. The transport layer also performs flow management service in the TCP or IP network model in a communication channel. This function applies the sliding window protocol principle to handle the data flow in the network model.
Okay, for the next slide is error control. Error control, the transport layer also check errors in the information received from the upper in the OSI model. Okay, error detection is performed using the checksum method and error detecting code to check corrected data. ACK and the NACK service are used to inform the sender if received data is corrected or damaged. We can see for this slide have a picture that system 1 and system 2 cannot receive the file. Okay, for the next slide is what is TLS. TLS is Transport Layer Securities. The TLS service is responsible for providing enhanced security to the transport layer in the network model to ensure the external service do not affect the data being handled in the transport layer. Okay, we can load encryption. Perform an encryption procedure for sensitive data being handled. Okay, second, hidden. Many of the TLS service are invisible to the client side. Okay, third one is a compatibility. Most TLS service are available for multiple browsers and device. Okay, for the summary for all point in this slide is the transport layer position as the fourth layer in the OSI model, play as a pivotal role in network communicating by overseeing the end-to-end transfer of data between devices. Its key responsibilities include segmenting and resembling data, error detection and correction, flow control to prevent congestion, and multiplexing to distinguish between various applications sharing a network connection. Through permanent transport layer protocol RTCP offering reliable and ordering data delivery, error checking and flow control. And UDP providing the faster but less reliable communication for real-time application. Port and addressing in the form of IP address and port numbers are essential for routing and distinguishing data. Additionally, transport layer security, TLS and NSL, SSL enhance data security in transit, commonly used for securing web and communication. Okay, that's all. Thank you.